Welcome to the new tutorial. Let's learn how to make a spiral staircase in Rhino. Let's begin. Top view. Circle. 40. Hold Enter. 280. Line. Click. Array polar. Number of items. 17. OK. Select circles. Split. Select these two lines. OK. Select all. Hold Ctrl and select these two curves. Delete. Select curves. Loft. OK. Delete the curves. Perspective view. Shaded mode. Move surface. 18. Extrude. -5. Click. Array polar. Number of items. 17. Z offset. 18. OK. Helix. Front view. 306. Turns number needs to be 1. Click. Perspective view. Move the curve. -5. Extrude the curve. 30. Move the curve. 30. Select surface. Offset surface. Both sides yes. Distance 2. OK. Select curve. Front view. Copy. 80. Hold Shift and select other curve. Sub D loft. Corners. Adjust shape segments. 9. It is not enough. Let's make it 34. Division between shapes. 3. OK. Delete the curves. Click. Isolate. Pipe. Multiple. Select all. Hold Ctrl and double-click edges. Select all. Pipe radius 0.7. Pipe. Multiple. Click. Click. Double-click. Fit rail yes. Pipe radius 1.5. Delete sub D. Select all. Group. Show objects. Circle. 40. Click. Planar surface. Delete the circle. Click. Extrude. 396. Rendered mode. Front view. Line. Click. Split. Select the line. Delete. Cap. Perspective view. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.